Hi, I'm Laura Hahn, Skagit County Communications Coordinator and Lead PIO. I'm here to bring you weekly updates on what has changed in our COVID-19 response and vaccine rollout from the previous week. I'll start with some data to give an overall picture of where we are. Skagit added 35 new COVID-19 cases since last Friday. This brings us to a total of 4,056 cases, 254 hospitalizations, and 58 deaths. Currently, we have a case rate of 192 cases per 100,000 residents over the last 14 days. Excitingly, a total of 21,654 vaccine doses have been administered in Skagit County so far. This includes a number of folks initiating vaccination, it's a tongue twister, and 5,294 people being fully vaccinated. I'll move on to some Skagit County Public Health updates. Our COVID-19 hotline hours have changed. They are now 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. The hotline is able to answer COVID questions, vaccine questions, and when they're available, help schedule vaccine appointments for those who do not have internet access. You can reach the hotline by calling 360-416-1500, and Spanish language call takers are available. The Skagit Public Health COVID testing site will close following March 13th. We are shifting operations to focus on vaccinations. There are lots of other providers offering testing now in the community, and we'll put a chart on screen that lists some of those. You can also visit www.skagitcounty.net/coronavirus for a list of testing providers. We release information about weekly vaccine appointments at Public Health Fairgrounds Clinic on Saturdays at 9 a.m. I will say this week it's likely that a substantive update will be delayed due to shipment delays of vaccine doses because of weather. But check skagitcounty.net/COVID vaccine Saturdays at 9 a.m. for more information. One thing that's really important that we want to touch on today is that we have been made aware of a scam circulating in the community. Community members are getting unexpected calls from somebody identifying themselves as Skagit County representative to schedule the individual for a vaccine appointment. The representative then asks for a bunch of personal information, including mother's maiden name and social security number. This is a scam. Public Health will never ask you for your social security number. And if you get a call from Public Health that you weren't expecting and seems suspicious, the best practice is to take the name of the person you're talking to, hang up the phone, and call us back at our official number, 360-416-1500. to ensure that you're speaking with a public health employee. And again, I just want to repeat myself, we will never ask for your social security number. Okay, moving on restrictions and reopening. We are currently operating under the governor's Roadmap to Recovery plan. Skagit County is part of the North Region, which includes Whatcom, Island, and San Juan counties. We move forward to phase 2 of this plan beginning on Sunday, February 14th. Data for Roadmap is evaluated every 2 weeks, so the next time we could move phases would be February 28th. And remember, unlike previous iterations of the governor's reopening plans, Roadmap dictates both forward and backward movement based on specific metrics automatically. We really don't want to move backwards, so please continue to use your COVID-19 precautions, including wearing your mask, washing your hands, avoiding gatherings, and staying 6 feet apart from anyone you do not live with, even if you've been vaccinated. Well, I think that's all for this week, so we will be back next week with more updates. If you have a question you'd like to see us cover in these videos, you can email me at laurah@co.skagit.wa.us with the headline Weekly Update Videos, and we'll try to cover the most frequently asked questions. That's all, everyone, and have a lovely weekend.